wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best henna hair dyes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If the tone of traditional henna is too red for you, Color by Nature lustrous is blended with indigo to achieve a slightly warmer hue. It will leave your locks feeling super soft, though it isn't too effective on very dark or black hair. It's ideal for mid-length cuts and contains no synthetic dyes or chemicals. However, it can be harsh on fingernails. At number 9, toying with different appearances isn't limited to women. Men can also do it with the henna guy's hair and beard. Your facial scruff can match your man bun using this natural product that's available in a bunch of colors. It's free of metallic salts and the batches are always fresh, but the included shower cap is flimsy. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If henna is a regular part of several areas of your beauty routine, then you need the Silkenstone Dark. It produces a hue that's rich and high quality enough for gorgeous mehndi tattoos, as well as lustrous locks that will turn heads. It's guaranteed gluten-free and the powder is triple sifted. However, it may leave behind an oily feel. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for henna hair dyes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, for those who love to play with different looks, Rainbow Research Persian is ideal because it comes in a variety of styles. Users praise the stuff because it tends to produce consistent results across all hair types and colors. It comes in a resealable jar and a little goes a long way, but the smell is a little funky. Moving up our list to number 6. Short-haired beauties will like Henna Natural because it comes in 2 50-gram packages. You can use one now and save the other for another time. Plus, the only ingredient in this product is henna, so you know exactly what you're putting on your head. It comes with a shower cap and may help treat split ends. However, the color doesn't last long. Halfway up our list at number 5. Zenia Pure is both vegan and pesticide-free, so it will be gentle enough for sensitive scalps. If you want a more conservative look that won't make it obvious you colored your hair, this is perfect because it produces a warm, coppery finish. It works well on African American hair and rinses out easily, but thicker tresses will need 2 packs. At number 4, Godrej Nupur Mehndi won't just help you achieve the perfect shade for your do, it will also improve the health of your hair, boasting dandruff-reducing aloe vera and circulation-boosting Indian gooseberry. It'll make you look fresh out of the salon. It's a deeply hydrating formula that may stimulate hair growth and strengthen fragile strands. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Those who are new to this kind of product will love how user-friendly Ancient Sunrise Kit is. It comes with everything you need, including a carrot back for precision application, gloves, and 2 tubs of powder, so you can create your own blend. You get enough for super long tresses, and it also boosts volume and covers stubborn grays. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for henna hair dyes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, altering the hue of your locks doesn't need to be expensive with the jamila powder. It's high quality enough to use on your skin as well as your head, and its finely milled, ultra-smooth texture makes it easy to manipulate into a paste. You can see the harvest location on the box, and it creates a vibrant tone. It can also be applied to nails. And taking the top spot on our list. When you want a more eye-catching aesthetic, grab Light Mountain Natural. As its name suggests, it's a totally plant-based formula that's certified organic and cruelty-free, so you'll not only look stunning after using it, you'll also feel good about purchasing it. It comes with illustrated instructions and an accurate color chart. It leaves hair very glossy. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for henna hair dyes, or simply click beneath this video.